Hi, I'm Andrew and today I'm here to show you how to perform a perfect EvoPEX join. All we need to perform this is our PPE, EvoPEX pipe, EvoPEX pipe cutters and EvoPEX fittings. That's it. First thing we need to do is cut the pipe. When cutting EvoPEX pipe, it's absolutely essential that we use the EvoPEX cutters. This will ensure we have a perfect 90-degree straight cut. Once we cut the pipe, we need to remove the protective cap from the fitting. This serves two purposes: to protect the fitting from debris and airborne particles, and it can also be reversed to fit on the edge of the pipe. It's also really important to remember that only Teflon and pipe cord should be used with any threaded fittings. Any thread sealants can damage the polymer of the fitting. Once we're ready to go, we insert our pipe into the fitting until the green indicator is visible. This tells you that you've inserted the pipe all the way into the fitting and you're good to go. And there you have it, a perfectly executed EvoPEX join.